It's a good evening here in Uganda. Please, we have this recipe. We are going to prepare our green veggies. We have mixed green vegetables, so let's clean our veggies. It's a variety of vegetables. We have dodo, which is green amaranthus. There is spinach. We have also Kales, which is sukuma. So stay tuned and watch this video until the end. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, really appreciate for the love. Continue supporting the channel so that the channel grows. Let's clean our veggies. We are going to prepare vegetable, which is a variety of vegetable. It's a vegetable stew. We are going to add in also cabbage and smoked fish. A nutritious recipe, so stay tuned. Let's go and prepare. Our veggies are already clean. Let's go and prepare our dinner. These are the vegetables which we are going to enjoy for our dinner. A very nutritious recipe. We have 4 varieties. We have amaranthus, we have kales, what we call sukuma. There is also spinach and cabbage. So stay tuned. We are mixing all the 4 ingredients together, then we will be getting our very nutritious veggies for our dinner. Stay tuned. Let's prepare our dinner together. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome, and the returning ones, we really appreciate. Continue supporting the channel by subscribing, viewing our videos. Please, let's prepare our dinner. Come, we enjoy together. Come, we prepare our dinner. So let's organize our veggies. This is cabbage. We are cutting it, we are chopping it. Big sizes, not small ones, because we are going to mix it with other veggies. If it was cabbage only, I would have chopped it nicely. So let's chop our cabbage. Then after, we are going to chop also sukuma, which is kales and spinach. There is Amaranthus, which is dodo. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our dinner. Mixed veggies, we are not going to cut it in too small pieces. Let's make big ones. As you can see, our veggies are there. We are going to prepare our mixed vegetable stew. We will be adding in fish. You can pair your veggies with the rice, plantain, ugali, and green banana. So stay tuned. Let's prepare our mixed vegetable stew, which is nutritious and healthy to our bodies. As our cooking oil is here ready, we are going to add in our ingredients. This is our fish. It's a smoked fish. So let's clean it also. We are going to add in our veggies. First, these are green vegetable. We have spinach, kales, dodo, and cabbage. Let's first cook spinach, dodo, and kales. Then after we will be adding in our cabbage. Stay tuned. Let's watch this video until the end for the new viewers. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for checking us. Continue viewing our videos. We have a lot of recipes. The channel is all about cooking. We do cooking videos. We post twice a week. Let's prepare our mixed veggies for dinner. It's a very nutritious recipe, very healthy. So our veggies are there cooking. Let's add in some more. This is our clean fish. We are going to add it here. Let's cook our veggies. Very healthy. We need to add in water so that our fish can cook well. Let's prepare our dinner. Mixed vegetables. Our veggies are here cooking. Our veggies are cooking well. We are going to enjoy our dinner. We will be pairing our veggies with the rice, so stay tuned. Let's cook our fish so that it can cook well. We need to cook our veggies. I've added a lot of water so that our fish can cook. Stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Healthy vegetable stew. Okay, thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. As you can see, our veggies are now ready. They are now ready. Let's serve our veggies. It's a healthy and very nutritious stew. As you can see, our stew is now ready. Let's go enjoy. For the new viewers, you're highly welcome. And the returning ones, you really appreciate. Let's go enjoy our dinner. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.